So this is a super simple how-to. This is the easiest how-to I can possibly show you how to do. You ready? This car we're gonna do AP2 retainers and keepers. It's kind of a concern on some of the early 2000 and 2001 models, but this is the easiest way to get that taken care of. You want me to show you the special tool? It's this right here.
I found one option, LHT Performance on 46th Street North in Pinellas Park. Do you want that one?
Yes. So here at LHT, when we're doing the keepers and retainers, I do intake and exhaust. I know there is a lot of rumors out there and a lot of hearsay. It's only one side that has a problem. You know what, peace of mind, do them all. AP2, that's the part number. AP2 retainers right there, there's 16 of those. These are the keepers, 32. Do them both, peace of mind, or should I say, I do them both for you. Peace of mind.
The Swedish metal to the uninitiated. How would you describe it?
That'll be like a regular drinking beer heavy thing. So there's no fast way to do this. Bring the cylinder up to TDC, put air in the cylinders, remove the retainer and keeper, replace it with the new one. That's it. So these are the two retainers. This is the AP1, this is the AP2. It's hard to see on this edge. This one right on this edge where the spring is, this is actually thinner. Now, they not only wear here, but the retainer itself is actually thinner. I think it's one of the ways that Honda lightened the valve train to get that secure 9,000 RPM. But this retainer is noticeably heavier.
Who doesn't like weighing things? It's one of our favorite things to do. So I've got here, this is the AP2 retainer. Do this to focus. Kind of hard to tell that it's a little thicker on camera. Half ounce, 0.5. That's the AP2. I got the AP1, the factory retainer for the AP1 on the scale, 0.4. So we're looking at 0.1 ounce, which on a piece this small is a pretty big difference.
Okay, so all the retainers are in, the keepers. These are all the old ones. We're pretty anal about when we take two keepers out, put two keepers in the bag, and that way we 100% back up the fact we've put 16 retainers and 32 keepers back on. And again, it's just a peace of mind knowing that they're done. Whether your intake ones are the problems, the exhaust ones, this is, again, just eliminates any shadow of a doubt. If intakes could be bad, who's to say the exhaust can't be bad and vice versa? So that's the way I do it, that's the way we do it. When we take something apart, everything related to it gets replaced. Alright, you want to see if we did our job right? Thank you.
Of course.
That's how you do your retainers and keepers.